We'll guide you through how to use DaVinci Resolve for beginners. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your desktop. When you launch it, you'll be greeted with the Project Manager. Click on New Project at the bottom right, then give your project a name and click Create. This will take you to the main interface. On the bottom of the screen, you'll see different pages: Media, Cut, Edit, Fusion, Color, Fairlight, and Deliver. To start, go to the Media page to import your clips. You can drag and drop your files directly into the media pool, or use the Import Media button. After importing, jump over to the Edit page. This is where you'll do most of your work. Here, you can drag your clips onto the timeline to start editing. Trim your clips by selecting the edges and dragging them to the desired length. You can also add transitions by dragging them from the effects library onto your clips. For color correction, move to the Color page. Here, you'll find tools to adjust exposure, contrast, and saturation. Use the color wheels and sliders to get the look you want. If you need to add text, go to the effects library in the Edit page, select Titles, and drag the one you want onto the timeline. Double-click on the title to edit the text. Once your video is edited and looks how you want, go to the Deliver page. Choose your desired format and resolution, then set a location for the file. Click Add to Render Queue and then start render to export your video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.